This is the Lenz O-Gauge V60 in DB Cargo Works Red or Verkehrsrot. So at this point in their lives they are Br360s. The Lenz model, this is I think an edition model, so it's been specially painted into this livery as a short run. Cab light there, got the crew figure, and he will turn around to face the direction of travel. Nice little feature. As you can hear, the mechanism is really quiet, and what Lenz have done is put a magnetic sensor on the motor, and that does position sensing and speed sensing, dispensing with the need to use back EMF, so you don't have that descending wail as you set off. Start the sound decoder up. Have a quick look, we have got the automatic uncoupling. The coupling works. On each end, depending on the direction of travel of the loco. It's 20 functions. So plenty of operating sounds. Shunter's calls that. Like a mechanical oil or something, a little pump down here. It's driven off the rear axle. Nice little detail there. The model has a power pack, and that will keep it running on dirty track. And you'll see that it actually hunts for power. If it comes away from the track, it will shut down. And spooky things happen when you get close to the track. So it will sense that it's near the DCC track and start running again. And shut down.